All those days watching the windows, all those years outside looking in, all this time never knowing just how long I'll be. No one here blinking in the sun. No one here, suddenly I see. Standing here, his arms so clear, we're meant to be. And I want to see the light in that fire.